Hey, welcome back to my channel. And if you are new, welcome to the channel. If you're here, then you're going to find me dropping gems on herbs, what you can take, what works well together. And right now we're going to get into this video. This is a new smokable that I added to my site. It's called So Unbothered. So right now I'm just crushing up some of the rose petals that actually goes into this. Roses are so relaxing and soothing. We've got passion flower, that's for anxiety, depression, insomnia. It's an antioxidant. We've got skullcap for anxiety, insomnia, withdrawals. We've got damiana, which is an aphrodisiac. Great for it's also like an antidepressant. We've got valerian root that also helps affect the GABA levels. Great for the nervous system. Great for overall mood. And then we've got peppermint for flavoring. We've also got skullcap, which is a nervine, also great antidepressant, also very relaxing, and also great for insomnia, as well as valerian root. And like I said, roses are relaxing and soothing. And right now I'm just trying to crush up some of the bulbs, because we don't want that in there. So if you are using roses, try to use the petals, but if not, and you've got the bulbs, you definitely want to crush those up. Y'all can hear them crunching. But just gonna pour this back in here. I've already got some rolled, but this is, like I said, this is my smokable for stress, anxiety, mood, just overall well-being. Hubby rolled something up for me, so I'm gonna go ahead and but before I do, damiana, peppermint, rose, skullcap, this is passion flower, valerian root, and then we have lemon balm. So I'm just going to go ahead and light this up. This will be better than yesterday, y'all. Oh my gosh. Y'all, the flavor is amazing. Very relaxing, very soothing, no burn. And y'all know I'm not even a smoker like this, but this right here, You can also make this with a tea if you're not a smoker. This is great for tea, great for insomnia, great for anxiety, depression, stress, great for people who are not smokers like me. It's subtle, it's relaxing, and it's soothing. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell.